it is Annie here from the Banannie Diaries. I'm so excited for today's tutorial. I'm going to use the products that were just in my most recent flip order. This is not an ad for them. These are just some products that I got, and I'm really excited because I refreshed a lot of hair and beauty products. So let's get to it. There is no inspo for today. We are just gonna roll with it with these products. This is my new paddle brush. It also came with a set of 3 scrunchies. Because today is Valentine's Day, I'm sticking with the pink hair scrunchie. So I'm going to brush out my hair with this first. I really wanted to be able to create a super sleek look, and I decided to try out this Boar brush from Bossman Brands. I know it is geared towards gentlemen, but this was exactly what I was looking for, so I went for it. So I'm gonna create a really nice sleek bun. This is one of the products I'm going to be using to do it, as well as this new hair wax that I got that I'm so excited to try. I am trying to up my hair game these days because if you'd follow me, you know that I am first to admit that hair is not my specialty, but we are working on it. I also feel like I need to do a little mini review inside this tutorial for a few reasons. One, I mean, this literally just slicked my hair so easily. I'm obsessed. I changed my mind on only using the scrunchie. I'm going to use these hair ties that I have from Kish just to help really slick this down. Now, one thing I love to point out with these tutorials that I do is I'm not professionally trained in hair. I'm not professionally trained in makeup. This was more, I would watch people apply it or I would see looks, and I just want to experiment. So none of this comes from training, and my point in telling you this is you can literally just try it and see what happens and become really good at this. So I'm still a work in progress. I am not ashamed to admit it. And I hope that this inspires you to try it if you've been thinking of it. All right, I'm gonna put the scrunchie back in. I'm going to begin my skincare prep with this skincare by Coco Kind. These are literally one of my favorite skincare brands. I'm obsessed with Coco Kind. This palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills was in a big set that I ordered over the holidays. I'm going in for a really light neutral look. So I'm actually going to use the shade Pretty. And I'm going to just apply that everywhere. It also has a bit of shimmer to it, which I love. This is one of my favorite makeup products. I would say in like my top 10. I love using it. It leaves such a beautiful, even finish on my face. I'm going to use the angled foundation for this one. I also have a concealer from Honest Beauty that I'm going to use. This is the shade Beige. I'm also going to use this brand new concealer brush. This is the size of it. I'm just going to place my finger right in there. It does apply it really evenly. You can definitely notice a difference from the eye that I have the setting powder on to where I don't. If you've been following me by now, you should know that I love Dibs Beauty. Let's blend this blush in. We're going to use the new blush brush. So it went from this to this. Thank you to Benefit Cosmetics for sending me their newest brow product. I'm so excited. This is called Precisely My Brow Wax. This is the shade number 3, Warm Light Brown. I'm going to apply it for the first time. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. Here it is. I'm just going to take a small amount of pomade along with this brush, and I'm going to just define my brows just a little bit more. So this brush is just called the Flat Definer, but I like using these brushes for my brows. Next up, I'm going to apply with a small blending brush. I'm going to take the highlight and apply it underneath my brow. You can see it's the perfect size, so just add a little bit of shimmer. I also like to put a little bit here, my lip. I told you how much I love these fan brushes. I'm going to try out this new fan brush for my highlight. For mascara, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing. I love this one. Okay, here we go. This is literally perfect. I feel like this is the color I've been looking for. Could this literally be any more perfect? It feels so light on my lips. This pink is beautiful. This is the first time I'm trying it on, and I am seriously obsessed. Oh, and it just completed my Valentine's Day look.